Now, if you're lucky enough in working in an organization where that team is really delivering value and you're tracking value and you know that they're actually adding value, then it becomes a bit more difficult to say, well, we're going to reduce,
Mhm.
the effort on other things by 20%.
Yep.
But, in personal experience, um, it's going to be like people are going to shout about stuff, but you're not going to have too much of an impact to say, but we need to get approval of allocating X amount of hours. And this can be a gradual thing, right? You never start out with a team that is over allocated.
Mm.
Give them a new project and say like 50% of your time you're going to be spending on this.
Yeah.
Choose a subcomponent of that VGI that you can enable to prove that initial value and prove the concept of value. And if once that works, then you can start saying, well, we've allocated 5% to this project. We're already starting to see an uplift and improvement. Let's move it up to 10% and 15%
Mm.
to see if that makes any difference at the end of the day. Because
Yeah.
obviously those resources are limited,
Mm.
and capacity as well.
Yeah. And I'm also sort of inferring from there, once you've gone through that value cycle and said, hey, that 10% gave us so much more, you might
Yeah.
actually get the opportunity to bring in another team member, and
Yeah.
because you know the return on investment for them.
And I mean, that's not the reason why we do this, James, but that is one of the fundamental benefits of using Rapid
Yeah.
is you now have justification for investment.